Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn off Simplify debts in Splitwise. To get started, open the Splitwise app on your device. Once the app launches, give it a moment to load so you can clearly see the main navigation and your account's home screen. This is where you'll be able to access your groups, balances, and shared expenses. Next, look toward the bottom of the screen for the Groups section. In Splitwise, the bottom navigation area helps you move between different parts of the app, and this is where you'll usually find the option you need to access shared group expenses. Take a second to locate it carefully so you don't accidentally open a different tab. When you see Groups, tap on it. This will bring you to the list of groups connected to your account. If you're part of several groups, you may see multiple options here, such as trips, household groups, or shared budget groups. You'll want to choose the specific group where you want to turn off the Simplify Debt setting. From the list, tap on the group you want to manage. In this example, you would select the sample group shown on screen. Opening the group will take you to its main page, where you can view members, expenses, and balances for that group. Once you're inside the group, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the settings icon. This is where Splitwise stores the options that control how the group works. If you don't see it right away, pause for a moment and check the upper right area carefully, since icons can appear small depending on your phone's screen size. After opening the group settings, scroll down through the available options until you find the Simplify toggle button. This setting controls whether Splitwise simplifies the debt relationships between group members. In other words, when it's turned on, the app may reduce the number of payments needed by reorganizing who pays whom. If you want to see the debts in their original form instead, this is the setting you need to change. Finally, tap the toggle button to turn Simplify Debts off. Once the toggle is switched off, the setting is updated for that group. Make sure the toggle no longer appears enabled before leaving the page, just to confirm the change was applied successfully. And that's it. You've now turned off Simplify Debts in Splitwise for your selected group. If needed, you can return to the same settings page at any time to turn it back on.